Hi. In Lexzur, integrating DocuSign for digital signatures on contracts is seamless. Users must have a separate DocuSign account and complete the integration with DocuSign to enable this feature. Let's go through an example. Open a contract and navigate to the Signature Center, where you can choose the desired workflow. For instance, if we select the Lexzur workflow that includes DocuSign, click Get Started and add signers. You can share the document with various types of signers, such as users from the legal or contract team in Lexzur, collaborators who sign from the client portal, and persons, external individuals added to your database. You can also include user groups and other types as necessary. Once you've selected the type, specify the signee's name and set the signature order. Additionally, provide a label and summary if needed. Once the approval process is complete, proceed with the signature process. Signers will receive email notifications when the contract awaits their signature. As a signee, upon receiving the notification, you can click to open the contract. From the Signature Center, click Sign, and you will be prompted to select the document to send to DocuSign for signature. Ensure that all files are converted to PDF format and marked as to be signed so that they can be selected for sending to DocuSign. After choosing the document, click Sign, which will require you to log in using your DocuSign account. The contract will then open in DocuSign, allowing you to review and add your signature initials, just as you would normally do using DocuSign. If you need to postpone the signature, you can select Finish Later from the Other Actions drop-down list on the top right of the page. DocuSign will close the contract in this case, and you will be directed back to Lexzur. Once completed, press Finish. The signature process is now completed, and you will receive an email with the signed document. It will be marked as signed in the system, and you can retrieve the signed documents from the attachments. The same process applies to other signers. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.